Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Highlander Hybrid battery. First, gather all necessary tools and safety equipment. You will need a 10 mm socket wrench, a multimeter, and insulated gloves. Make sure you have a new, compatible hybrid battery pack on hand. Safety is paramount, so always wear your personal protective equipment throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement. Before touching any high-voltage components, safety is your absolute priority. Begin by disconnecting the 12-volt auxiliary battery in the engine bay. Next, locate the hybrid battery service plug, usually found in the cargo area, and remove it. This action completely isolates the high-voltage system. It is crucial to wait at least 10 minutes after disconnection to allow all capacitors to fully discharge, preventing any potential shocks. With the power safely disconnected, you can now begin removing the old battery. Carefully remove any interior trim panels that obstruct access to the hybrid battery compartment, typically located under the rear seats or in the cargo area. Next, unbolt all mounting brackets and disconnect the remaining electrical connections. Remember, hybrid battery packs are very heavy, often weighing over 100 pounds, so use a lifting aid or have a second person assist you in safely extracting it from the vehicle. Now it's time to install your new hybrid battery. Carefully lower the new battery pack into its compartment, ensuring it seats correctly. Reconnect all electrical cables, paying close attention to the high-voltage connections, and then secure the battery with its mounting hardware. Reinstall the hybrid battery service plug and the 12-volt auxiliary battery. Finally, replace all interior trim panels. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.